So, good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you are all well. How is your classes going? This is my favorite subject which I'm teaching you right now. Yes, it is Islamiat. And what do we learn in Islamiat? First of all, tell me, who has created us? Yes, Allah has created us. Do you know He has all the powers? He has everything to give us. He has given us all the happiness and every kind of the thing that is with us is given to us by Allah. Well, can you please tell me the classroom rules? Yes, you need to be quiet. You need to open your eyes. You need to open your ears. Listen to me carefully. The children, basically, our topic is on Allah. We have read about His creations. We have read about the things He has provided us. I want you to see a small video clip on Allah and His creations. Then we will come to our topic that what we are gonna read today. Okay, this is your video of Allah and His creations, and then you will tell me that what you have watched in it. Here it goes.
His creation.
Allah and His creations. Allah. Allah Ta'ala has created these kind of insects, birds, worms, flies, butterflies. In nature, He has created these trees, seas, mushrooms, flowers, plants, trees. They made the world beautiful. And then in life, He has given us the plants and He tells us the ways to live, then fruits, vegetables, all of the things we are getting from Him, all are His blessings. And then all around are His creations. He is everywhere. Allah is merciful. Allah is the best. Allah has the power to do everything because He loves us and He cares for us. So you have seen that what He has created for us? Exactly. All of the things that you have seen in the video are His creations. Children, what we are going to do is you have to open your box. You have to open your books of Islamiat. And then what you're going to do, you are going to open the page number. Wait, I'm just finding my pencil. Every time these things are happening to me, that whenever I started my lecture, I do not find my things. Page number 12. Page number 12, on which you will come to know that we are going to how the world was made. You have seen the creations video. He has created everything. Everything around us has been created by Allah. How the world was made. Let us learn how the world was made. In many surahs of the Quran, Allah tells us how He had made the world. He made the heavens and the earth. He created many layers of the sky and filled them with twinkling stars. In the video, you have seen the nature, the blessings, the beauty, the plants, the vegetables, the insects, the worms, the sky, the river, the earth. All of the things that has been described in the video are His creations. He has created the world. Okay. Then on earth, He made the mountains, land, water, animals, plants, which give food, and trees, which give shade. And then He made humans, He made us. In the skies, He made the clouds, which bring rain, snow, and the water we drink. Everything on earth and in the skies and space above obeys Allah. Allah alone is the creator and master and has power over His creation. Children, this is all about today. This is all about today's topic. Where is this? He made the heavens and the earth. He created many layers of the sky and filled them with the twinkling stars. twinkling stars everywhere around us. He has made the twinkling stars. He has filled the sky with the stars, the moon, the birds. Everything he has made in the sky is for the beauty. Everything in the on the earth, kind of mountains, plants, trees, whatever he has made it purposefully to make the world beautiful and to show his power to us, that he has the ability to make these kind of things. Children, you know that the water we drink, who is giving to us? Allah, obviously. And because of that water, we are getting snow, we are getting rain, and water we are drinking. The trees, he has made the trees. What we are getting from the trees? We are getting the food, fruits, and we are getting the shade from the trees. Everything on the earth, in the skies, and space obeys Allah. Allah is alone the creator. He is the only one who created this world and master and has power over his creation. He can do everything. If he wants to make the world beautiful, he can. But if he wants to destroy the world, he can destroy the world. Okay? Let me ask you some questions, then we will have a small activity we will do. Tell me who has made the world. Yes, Allah has made the world. And in which thing he has to tell? He tells us that he has made the world in many surahs of the Quran. Who made the heavens and the earth? Yes, Allah has made the heaven and the earth. Who made the layers of the sky? Allah has made the layers. And how he has filled them? He has filled them with the twinkling stars. And earth, who has made the mountains? Allah. Land, water, animals? Allah. Great. What does trees give us? Trees give us shade. And then what does he made? He made the humans. And in the skies, what he has made? He has made the clouds, which bring rain. Yes, snow also. And from where do we get the water to drink? From the sky, from the rain, from the seas, from the lakes. Okay. And uh, these all things whom they are obeying, they all are obeying Allah, and Allah is the creator and the master. What I am going to do is I'm going to write some words on the board. You have to find those words in your book and underline them. Okay? WORLD, world. Find this word. WORLD, world. WORLD, world. Then heavens. 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 Find them. Then later on I will tell you where are they. Layers. 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 And then twinkling. TWIN. TWINKLING. 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 And then mountains. 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 And then water. 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 Shade. 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 Clouds. 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 And then space. 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 Obeys. 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 Creator. 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 Children, these are your words. Kindly find them and tell them if you are done or not. Let me find them now. World. What is that the word? World, then heavens. Heavens. I am circling them. I will show you. Okay? Heavens, then layers, then twinkling, and mountains, then water, 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 cloud, clouds, then shade, and space, obeys, and creator. These are the words I have. These are the words I have written them on the board. You can see them, find them, and circle them. Okay? All of you are done? Okay, children, this is all about our today topic is how the world was made. I hope you have come to know about the blessings, about the creations, about the power of Allah. We will do next lecture tomorrow on Allah's name because there is no exercise. So it is a good news for you that you just have to learn the spellings of these words. Okay? World, you know what is the meaning of world? This all around the things, heaven mean the things Allah has made us for here world after layers 1, 2, 3, twinkling, shining, mountains, the big kind of rocks, water, shade, shadow, clouds, space, empty space, obeys to listen, creator, the person who has made everything. So this is all about today. Inshallah, I'll be meeting you in tomorrow or in next class. Till then, take care.